Well, I've just come out. I was just about to start working the tractor and it's starting to rain. Typical. I see if it's just a wee shower. Get some funnels and get them painted onto these red bits in the bit I was working at yesterday. I think I'll pull the starter motor off it too. I know it works, so I can take it off, clean it up, put it back on. I'll see what the weather does. So well, get 5 minutes. I'm just buzzing out. No, I'm not, because I need to get a spanner to hold it. It's a different size. The last starter bolt, it's been raining like, but it's tight today because I'll take it into the carport and buff it up. Oh! But I need to get a spanner right side. It's bolts I had to start on with nylon nuts. He's already left it, but what I've done with our spanner, it's still listening. Right, as he just taking this last nut off now. The hands. Oh, a big spanner! Yeah. And into the. That's good. And gear feels okay. Put that bit anyway. And nuts up. Get these safe and I'll give it a good clean up. I say I know it works, so I can clean it up, paint it, put it back on. Right, just going to buff up this starter so you can get the worst of this loose paint off it. I've done a wee bit of that side, but done a wee bit at the top of the solenoid there, so try it. So get the goggles on and I spend a wee bit of time on this. The rain's went off again. Not enough though. See what I can do with this. Well, raining now anyway, windy rain, but I'm getting there with this. I'm going to go and get a scraper and scrape the paint off the plastics. Aye, get in there. Get some thinners as well and get it on. I'm going to get a scraper, I think, and scrape the plastics. Let's see where I'm at. That is. Ah, get in there. Yeah, the earth goes on there. Take that nut off and give that a good clean. Clean that up. Do that. It's heavy on starter, like. Sun's out again. It's glorious. Just scraping off some of the at the end here. Getting there with this now though. So it can be clean painted and refitted. Then I've got to paint the tractor. There's only 3 bolts that'll come off dead quick. Aye, 1 minute it's blasting, next minute it's sunset. Nearly there with this. So get some wire rolling. Let Emily to finish it. Well, that's me done. Just can't find the wire building now, but yeah, I get all rub. Much better. Had a tab moment. I think to myself, what colour should this be? Should it be tractor colour? And I think no. It'll be black, because you're not going to phone up and say, give me a blue starter or an orange or a red one, are you? I'll get some satin black onto that when the weather gets a bit better. And stay inside then. No, it's been on and off all day, the showers. But it has. That's fine. We'll get that painted bottle back on, it'll look like a brand new one.